Spy lens. Spy fiction is a genre of literature that revolves around espionage, secret agents, and intelligence operations. It typically involves stories about spies undertaking covert missions, dealing with deception, and navigating dangerous situations to achieve their objectives. Spy charger. Spy charger typically refers to a covert device designed to look like a regular charger for electronic devices such as smartphones or tablets. However, hidden within the charger is a small camera or recording device that can secretly capture video or audio of its surroundings. Spy chargers are often used for surveillance purposes or in undercover operations where discreet monitoring is necessary. These devices can be used by law enforcement, private investigators, or individuals interested in discreetly recording conversations or activities without arousing suspicion. A spy camera bottle is a covert surveillance device disguised as an ordinary water bottle but equipped with a hidden camera. These devices are designed to discreetly record video or capture images without being detected. Spy camera bottles are often used for various purposes, including security monitoring, undercover investigations, or personal surveillance. All-deal signal jammer is not a standard term in technical or surveillance terminology. However, it appears to refer to a device that jams or disrupts signals across various communication frequencies. Signal jammers are electronic devices designed to block, interfere with, or disrupt radio frequencies used by mobile phones, GPS systems, Wi-Fi networks, and other wireless devices. They can be used to prevent communication in specific areas where their use is authorized, such as in military operations, law enforcement activities, or to maintain security in sensitive locations. Induction earpiece is a small device worn discreetly in the ear that uses electromagnetic induction to transmit audio signals. It is often used for covert communication purposes where secrecy and discretion are essential. The induction earpiece receives audio signals wirelessly through electromagnetic induction rather than through traditional means like Bluetooth or wired connections. A Seek thermal camera is a type of